How to create alphabet tracing worksheet using Canva, quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I will be teaching you today a step-by-step tutorial on how you can easily create a alphabet tracing worksheet inside the Canva. And by the way guys, Canva software is a graphic design tool that is for free to use. So I've been using Canva, the free plan, for 2 years, and everything I need is in here. And to get started, you just need to click the create a design button here at the top right corner. And over here, I just need to click custom size. So over here, it will depend on what size or paper size you like to create the worksheet. But the most recommended one, let's just change it to inches since we will be printing this out. So I will be doing the width 8.5, and then the height will be 11. So it's going to be 8.5 by 11. And then I will go ahead and click the create new design. So this worksheet is perfect for businesswomen as well. You can target teachers and parents to sell this kind of worksheet, especially to those parents with little kids, for their kids to learn how to write. So over here we have now the blank Canva. So the first thing that we need to do is to add a margin inside our blank canvas. So you can go file, look at it here at the top left corner. So you go to file, and then over here, we can go ahead and click the show margins. Or you could also do this. So over here, as you can see, there is a ruler here. You could also drag the line here, and you can go ahead and make your own margin if you like to. So that's the second option, to create your own margin. So something like that. And then the next thing that we will be doing is to add our content inside our Canva. So over here, we will be first adding some line. So I will go ahead and go to elements located here on the left hand side panel. And then here, just search for a line. And then just enter. And you can see different line elements here. So let me just make use of this. And I will just go ahead and drag this one here. And then let me just go ahead and put it here. And also add some text. So we have the text tab here. And I will make use of this heading. So let's go ahead and enter here name. And let's go ahead and make this one smaller. So just add the name here, or let me just make it more smaller. And then let me just go ahead and put it there. So we have now the name over here. So the next thing that we will be doing is we will be adding another line. So I will just duplicate this by holding my Control D. And we have the duplicate line. And it's up to you guys if how big your space here, because this is the space that we will be using to add our letters. So for example, we will be doing the letter C. So I will just go ahead and add letters again, or add text. And then let's go ahead and first the capital C. And of course, you can also make use of your down arrow to move this line. So you can also make use of the transparency here for you to adjust the darkness of the line. So as you can see, it's just too dark. So I will just adjust it to 60. Same here. I will just enter here the small c, something like that. And of course, you can also, let me just move this one. And of course, you can also adjust the space between these two letters. So over here, you can adjust the letter spacing. So you can do like that. All right, and let me just move this one to the right. All right, so we have this one now. So the next one that we can do is we can add some elements here. As we see from other alphabet worksheet, they will also add additional character for the C. For example, C for cat. So we can go ahead and click elements over here and let's search for cat. So let me just make use of this one. All right, so we have this. So the next one is, let's go ahead and duplicate this line again. And let's add it over here. And then let me go ahead and add another line. So I will duplicate it again. And for this one, I will try to make this line a broken line. So something like that. And then another line over here. So I will duplicate it. All right, so you have it here. And now you can add the letter to trace here. So I will go ahead and add the text again. The capital C and then the small c. And then let me go ahead and also adjust the spacing. All right, so maybe 235. And then we just need to change the font style. So over here, you just need to click the search button and go to the handwriting, or you can also search for student. All right, so we have the Canva student. So just click on it. And as you can see here, we have this kind of font now. So we can just make this one bigger. All right. And let me just move it here. So we have the C now. Let me just go ahead and make this one more transparent. So we just need to copy and paste this. Copy and paste. And then another one, copy and paste. All right, so we have this now. So we can just highlight all of this. And then we can just copy and paste this as well, so that we can add it over here. So what I will be doing is that I will just delete this top line and I will highlight this again and I will just move it. All right, so something like that. And then I will just copy and paste this again. All right, so that's how easy you can create your alphabet tracing worksheet here inside the Canva. And of course, you can also design your worksheet. So you have different design here that you can make use of. So for example, if you want to add this one, so let me just go ahead and move it down here. And you can also change the color, of course, to black maybe. And then you can just adjust the transparency to something like that. And then you can also copy and paste this and move it here. And then you can just flip it so that you have this kind of design. So I guess that's all for today's video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.